Of the Lord. Birthday!
Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kim!
Ay!
Okay, pa namin ng Demon Kids. Yes, that's it here. Okay, sino yung Demon Kids for today?
Lucas!
Okay, ito na si Kuya. Halika na Kuya. Hindi na kaya.
Lucas!
Dalawa ko. Dalawa ko.
Jay! Lucas! Jay!
Halika Kuya. Yan. Okay. All boys tayo for today. Ayan. Okay, na. Mababa po. Mababa. Isa pa. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn around and say, Happy birthday, kid! Ayan. That's your box? So yes. Okay, ma'am, go. Ready na ba? Okay, isa lang sa bigaw. Okay, ready? 2, 3. Oh, wala pa. Wag mo na kukunin yung pack. Okay, everybody. Touch your head, touch your head. Ah, wala pa. Wala pang get the cup. Okay, touch your head. Touch your shoulder, touch your back. Jump. Turn around. Touch your head. Touch your foot. Jump. Turn around and touch your head. Touch your foot. Jump. Turn around and get the cup. Okay, get the cup. Okay, sino may harap ng cup? Okay, sino yung maglalaro? Oh, touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Touch your back. Jump. Turn around and touch your head. Touch your foot. Jump. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3, clap and then turn around. Touch your head. And touch your foot. Jump. Turn around and get the cup. Okay. Kaya ang huli bibigay yung cup.
Talo ka!
Okay, dito na ang ating third round.
Tapos?
Galingan mo sa mga studies mo.
Thank you po!
Ayan, thank you so much, Janella, for cake.
Happy birthday, King. Always listen to your parents.
Ayan, always listen to your parents. Sweet naman ni Ate Jana. Okay, next, may have
Kamalusog palagi.
Thank you!
Yes.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ate Athena. Always healthy daw dapat si Kuya Kim.
Happy birthday, King. Kabait palagi.
Thank you po!
Ayan, thank you so much.
Happy birthday, King. Be good, King.
Ay, thank you!
Ayan, be a good kid. Ayan, for sure, very good yan si Kuya Kim. This is Mother Richie for kid.
Happy birthday, King. You gonna let's be the dog.
Ay,
Ayan,
thank
thank you so
you!
much, Ate Richie.
Thank you.
Ayan. Naiiwan si Kuya Ed. Ay, Kuya Kael.
Happy birthday, King. God bless.
Ayan, happy birthday daw Kuya. God bless daw, sabi ni Kael. Okay, message Kuya.
Happy birthday, King. Be always a good kid.
Ayan, Dio. Ano message mo Kuya?
Happy birthday.
Thank
Ayan, ang sweet naman ni Kuya Jairus.
you! Iman.
Yes. Naiiyak siya. Thank you so much, Kuya. Next. Ronald McDonald says, bring me. Resibo. Ayan, sino may resibo sa Bubble Wallet? Resibo, pen. 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, meron na. Ayan. Okay pa, Kuya. Okay, ito ang ating last tumbler. Okay. Sa dalawang atag na lang, kailangan papilisan. Okay, next. Ronald McDonald says,
Sana. Yun. Doon kayo sa gitna.
Ayan.